What?
Someone can.
What?
Always vlogging.
Are you speaking English?
No, Swahili.
Speak
But
Swahili.
there's nothing to watch. I've already seen everything that I want to see.
They charged him.
Yeah.
11 to 1.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Hi.
Hi.
Come with your friend too.
Yeah, okay.
Are you a celebrity?
That's why I stay in the home, guys.
Emmy's a celebrity.
No, just being known and not a celebrity, just being having a good name. Yes, I do have a good name. My name can take you places.
Okay, so I'm here at whatever this is. So yeah, I just left the other event. Walked the Land Rover Defender. This is hi.
For you.
What's up?
No, I'm saying for the grace, for it is by grace that
For
you
this
have
grace you've been saved. Ephesians.
We are children of grace. We
Yes.
do not deserve it.
Yes, yes.
You're a believer? I teach the word of God.
Yes, sir.
I love it.
Yes.
The only thing I know that is tangible, same yesterday, today, and forevermore. The only word that I know that is allowed and active
Yeah.
is able to change us from the inside outside.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you. Thank
No,
you.
name is Mauricio.
Jared.
Jared.
Yes, sir.
Oh, how long have you been a believer?
Since maybe 2019, 18.
Oh. How are you?
Yeah.
How is it so far?
It's good.
You're loving it.
Yeah. Yeah, there's challenges for sure, but it's good.
No, the pleasure is mine.
Yes, sir. How you doing? Zalani.
Zelani coffee, yeah. Do you have any samples ready?
I love coffee. Is this made in Kenya?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Do you make it yourself?
We grow it in Kirinyaga.
Where? Say it slower.
Sorry?
Say the city slower.
Kirinyaga. Yeah. It's you know Mount Kenya sides?
Yes.
Yeah, Mount Kenya.
Yes, I climbed Mount Kenya a few months ago.
Oh, okay. You climb Mount Kenya?
Yeah, not to the summit, but we did around
Okay.
waterfalls and
Oh,
stuff.
nice. Must have been tough, huh?
Yeah, it was very tough. So how long have you been doing coffee?
For about 3 years now.
3 years?
Yeah.
Okay. And tell me about it.
So-
What differentiates this from many other coffee?
Many other coffees. So number one, I'd say our packaging. I think look at Zelani coffee, differentiated from other coffee brands. I think it's beautiful. The number two, thank
Good
you.
coffee.
Thank you. The number two, it's our sourcing, so single origin from Kirinyaga, and we're also a fair trade coffee brand, so we ensure that we pay our farmers the rightful pay.
Okay.
Yeah. Made in Kenya. But the name is inspired by Ethiopia, the birthplace of coffee. Zelani means nomad or traveler.
Ethiopian coffee is great.
Yes, but Kenya is greater.
It's very strong
Yeah.
though. Ethiopian coffee is very strong. How much?
So different price points. This goes for $12.50, $6.50, and $3.50.
Okay.
So the white packaging is the medium roast, and the black is the dark roast.
Let me get dark roast.
Dark roast, eh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what size?
I'll get this to start with.
This size, eh?
I'll be
Beans or
back.
ground coffee?
Ground coffee.
Okay, this is ground, eh?
Yeah.
Excellent. And we actually have a 10% discount. So whatever price I told you, 10% off.
Gotcha.
That'll be 650 minus 65.
Do the math.
585.
85, yes.
Come on, man. You gotta know your math off the top of your head, man. Come on.
This is the pay bill number.
Okay.
Awesome. Also, you can follow us on Instagram.
For sure.
Just scan that QR code.
Gotcha.
You know?
Give it back.
Also, I have a YouTube channel, so I'll put this on there as well.
Oh, nice.
So if you want to shout out your YouTube channel, your Instagram.
Yeah, you'll shout out to Instagram.
Yeah. Tell them what your Instagram is.
Zelani Coffee. At Zelani Coffee.
Okay.
Oh, Farmers Market.
So, what's your? I've seen you around. What's your name?
You see me at the farmer's market?
No.
The vlog?
Polo Club.
Oh, yeah.
The vlog? Oh, yeah. Jared. Or Jay the Beast BA.
When you follow us on Zelani, I'll follow you back and maybe.
Yes, sir. You do content as well?
Sorry?
Do you do content?
Yeah, I'm thinking too. Yeah, for Zelani Coffee.
Yes, correct. No, yes, correct.
So we're thinking to start content for Zelani Coffee.
Okay.
We're going into boozy coffee.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're doing something with spiked coffees. and also now content into how we brew our coffee, from farm to so maybe we can partner in the future.
Yeah, for sure. And I own a farm up north, so maybe y'all could give me some tips, tricks.
Where is the farm?
It's like 2 hours from here.
Which part of the country?
Kiambu County.
Oh, Kiambu.
Kiambu County.
Okay. Great. We can definitely link up.
Yes, sir.
What's your? Yeah, we can exchange contacts.
Yes, sir.
What's yours?
It would be easier if I got yours.
0. Three 405 410. Yeah. You can save again. 077 should be 7. Yeah. And then can you add another number?
Yeah. After this.
Okay, after. Patrick Zelani Kini. Suited as Akini. Jared, eh?
Yeah. So, got it. So I create content, but I also have a clinic for children with autism.
Oh, where is it?
In Westlands, off of Kiambu Road. Yeah.
Okay. Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay, Jared. Nice to meet you.
You too, man.
Enjoy your coffee.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, and
I'll be ordering some more.
Okay, excellent. We'll follow each other. Have you followed us?
Yes, I'll follow you now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then we'll follow you back.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Patrick.
Zelani Coffee. Yeah.
Patrick Smith. I think you could do good. You could do some good content, and you're young too. Yeah.
We should partner.
Yeah.
Keep in touch. Maybe you can give us tips.
Yeah, for sure. How old are you?
21.
Oh yeah, good looking 21-year-old guy. Yeah, man, you can do some good content. We'll get together.
Okay.
All right, man.
Cheers, man.
Samosas. Hi. Food pit stop. Check this speaker system out. Pretty cool. I love this car. This is my favorite car here.
Here we go. Everybody follow that to it. Let's go. Go. Ready. I am to the level. And on your knees. Everybody. Go down. Go down. Let her do.
sings better than me.
I sing better than you.
Yeah, you can sing. I can't sing for anything. So, like, what did I want to say? I want to say something.
You wanted to say that you was gonna burn me for recording?
Yes, I was going to ban him for recording me without asking me each and every time. You can't even breathe, he'll be recording you. I'm like, I need space.
What about pictures?
Also pictures. For me, I'm photophobic. Photos. I do love photos when they come out nicely, but then I don't love when somebody's taking them.
Every woman loves photos.
Yeah, but I don't I don't have the angle, so I don't love posing for photos. So he's always like with his camera. Guys, send help. I don't want to be around him with his cameras and stuff. He's always with his cameras. But it's cute, it's nice at times, then it's not. Yeah, when I want photos, it's nice.
You should always want photos.
Why? For the memories.
Leaving Karen. Headed towards West London. Giraffe. Another giraffe. Giraffes and elephants on the side of the road.